Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at some tire gauges that the company did send me. It did compensate me to make a review and talk to you a little bit about the quality and show you how to use them. So it comes in a pack of 10, and you can never know if you need a few tire gauges either for the shop or if you're giving out as for gifts. Really nice. So let's just focus on one of these. They're all exactly the same. Let's push these to the side. I'm going to show you a little bit about the tire gauge and just show you how it looks. So it has a little clip here that clip onto your shirt or any way you need to clip it, that you can have it with you handy. It goes up and down. As you can see, here's a little shaft, and this is a little measure right here you put on the treads of the tire. Now what's cool about this one here, it's color coded. You can see that it's got the green, it's got yellow for caution, and red basically means your tire is bald. That's kind of how that works. Now you can use this on motorcycles, you can use this on cars, you can use this on truck tires. Pretty much tread depth is pretty much standard across the table on the depth of the treads. But this is really important to have, especially when you're rotating your tires. You want to see maybe there's some alignment issues with your car. This is what this is good for. Construction made out of metal with plastic. The clip is as metal, but all around decent quality for the price point. Again, you do get 10 of them in this set. You can see as I'm pressing it down, you'll see it going up, and as you measure the tire, it'll give you the depth of the tire right here. Right there, you can see that. So that's important. Again, they got the 3 color codes right there. You got the green, the yellow, and the red. So let's go ahead and do a quick measurement of my tires, and I'm going to show you how you use it. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Very simple and very easy to use. Let's go. Where my car is, here's my tire right here, and it's actually running a little bit low. So let's just take a quick measurement of the tire right here. Let's put this down here. So we are in the green here. I mean the yellow. So they're actually getting low. So you can see there roughly 2 3/4 30 seconds and running a little low. Let's try another part of the tire. Same thing. We try the end. A little better, and let's try over here. So they are getting low, and I know that for sure because the tires are running around 3 years old and they are getting low. Let's check one more in the back and let's see how that one looks. Okay guys, so I have the rear tires here, and let's reset this again. Let's just see what the rear ones are doing. About the same. You can see, so I did rotate them, so they are wearing evenly. Yeah. So these definitely have to be changed. I'm going to change them in the fall, so they're getting really close to the red. But you can see how they work, but it's all even across the threads. You can see that everything looks really even, so it's really wearing well. And so that's it. So that's what I have for you. That's how you do it. If it was in the green, you'd be good. As soon as you hit the yellow like me, time to start shopping for tires, which I know that already because I knew by the fall I'd have to change them. All right, guys, that's what I have for you. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow the channel for more how to learn how to do all kinds of stuff on this channel. So definitely follow me. Appreciate your time as always, and thanks for watching. Make it a great day.